What if I told you that the world's most reliable cars were born from a sewing machine? This isn't just the story of a car company. This is the story of a philosophy so powerful, it built a global empire from the ground up. A story that starts with a single thread. This is the incredible, untold history of Toyota. Chapter 1. The Loom and the Lucky Name. Our story begins in the late 1800s with a man named Sakichi Toyoda. He wasn't a car guy, he was a textile guy. He invented a revolutionary automatic loom that could detect a broken thread and stop itself. This idea of automation with a human touch, called jidoka, was the first cornerstone. But here's the crazy part. The seed money for Toyota cars came from that loom. Sakichi sold the patent to a British company for 1 million yen, and he gave that money to his son Kichiro with one mission: build a Japanese car. And when they started the car company, they changed the name. Toyota sounded a bit old-fashioned. Toyota, with its 8 brush strokes, was considered luckier. And in 1937 the Toyota Motor Corporation was born. Chapter 2. Failure and the Supermarket. Secret Toyota's first try in America was a total disaster. The Toyo Pet Crown was underpowered and overheated on US highways. It was a humiliating flop. But instead of giving up, Toyota did something brilliant. They learned. An engineer named Taiichi Ono visited the US and saw something amazing: American supermarkets. He saw that they only restocked what customers bought. He applied this pull system to the factory, creating just-in-time manufacturing. Don't make a part until it's needed. This eliminated huge inventory costs and waste. Combined with jidoka, this became the legendary Toyota production system, a secret weapon so effective, the entire world would later copy it as lean manufacturing. Chapter 3. The Corolla and the Oil Crisis. With this super-efficient system, Toyota launched the car that would change everything: the Corolla. It was affordable, practical, and relentlessly reliable. Then, in 1973, the oil crisis hit. Gas prices went through the roof. Suddenly, America's gas-guzzling V8s looked like a terrible idea. And sitting there, waiting, was the frugal Toyota Corolla. Sales went absolutely crazy. The Corolla would go on to become the best-selling car nameplate of all time. To date, over 50 million have been sold. That's one car, every 15 seconds, since it launched. Chapter 4. Beating the Germans and the Hybrid. Bet now confident, Toyota set its sights on the unthinkable, beating the Germans at their own game. In 1989, they launched a secret luxury brand, Lexus. Their goal wasn't to compete, but to perfection. The flagship LS400 was a masterpiece. You might remember the famous champagne glass test, where a glass was placed on the engine at full revs and didn't fall. It was a revolution in quietness and quality that shocked the entire auto industry. And just when everyone thought Toyota was just about conservative quality, they made their riskiest bet yet. In 1997 they launched the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid. Critics laughed. But Toyota saw the future. The Prius became an icon and made hybrid a household word. Chapter 5. The Future, Hydrogen and Woven Cities. The 21st century brought challenges: recalls, natural disasters, and the rise of EVs. But true to its nature, Toyota is adapting. While others go all in on batteries, Toyota is also betting big on hydrogen fuel cells with the Mirai, envisioning a true zero-emission future. And in perhaps its most ambitious project since the first car, Toyota is building a woven city, a real-life, fully connected prototype city of the future. It's a living lab to test AI, robotics, and new mobility. It seems the spirit of Sakichi Toyoda's invention is alive and well. So, what's the real secret to Toyota's success? It's not a single car or a factory. It's a mindset. It's the relentless pursuit of improvement, or Kaizen. It's the belief that anyone, anywhere, should be able to stop the line and fix a problem. It's a culture built on respect for people and a fanatical focus on eliminating waste. From a single loom to a global giant, the thread that connects it all is a simple, powerful idea: the relentless pursuit of better. What's your favorite Toyota story or model? Was it the unstoppable Land Cruiser, the legendary Supra, or the humble Corolla that got your family where it needed to go? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories about the brands that shaped our world. Thanks for watching.